Hello and welcome back to a Cave Maths class where learning maths is fun and made simple. In this lesson, we want to dive into solving problems in quadratic equation. If you don't know what that means, you're welcome. So what does quadratic equation even mean? And we know already that an equation is a statement with an equal sign. So let's see the different types of equation that we have. So first we have simple or linear equation, an equation with one variable where we are asked to find x, and the graph is a straight line with one value of x as the answer. We have simultaneous equation. This is an equation with two variables, x and y, and where we are asked to find the values of x and y, and the graph looks like this, and the intersection of the two straight lines will give us the values of x and y. We also have quadratic equation. This is another level of a simple equation. It is an equation in one variable with the highest power of 2. And the graph, which is called a parabola, looks like a curve with two values of x as the answer or the roots of the equation. Another type of equation we have is a cubic equation. This is the third level of a simple equation with the highest power of 3, and the graph looks like this with three values of s as the answer or the roots of the equation. But in this lesson, we'll learn how to solve any problem anywhere that is related to quadratic equation. First of all, you need to know that a quadratic equation must be in this form. So the general form of a quadratic equation is as squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is the coefficient of s squared and a cannot be 0. If a is 0, then it is not a quadratic equation. And b is the coefficient of x and c is a constant. Remember that a coefficient is a positive or a negative number beside a letter or a variable. So take note of the general form of a quadratic equation. In the next lessons, we will see different ways to solve any quadratic equation. See you there.